Coming off a weekend where we had just these storms hanging around Friday, Saturday, Sunday. They were very hit or miss. Where they were, you got swamped, and where they weren't, well, you knew they were just out there. You just never caught any rain. That was kind of the case at my house. There's still a hint of lingering precipitation. Just over the past couple of hours, we've had a scattering of showers, likely some isolated rumbles of thunder way down towards our border counties. You get down around Williamsburg, McQuarrie County, Wayne County, and then running that southeastern tier of counties there up closer to Pikeville. So that's going to be an issue for us today, but for very few folks. And the rainfall totals over the past 24 hours tell the tale. 1/10 of an inch in Stanford. You got 1/10 of an inch down towards Whitley City, 2/10 of an inch atop of Black Mountain. But where you've got these pops of green, that is an indication of where some of the heavier precipitation did fall. It just didn't happen to be picked up by a rain gauge. And if you look at 24-hour totals and pop some radar estimates up there, you can see some of those higher end totals. But boy, it was very isolated. Similar situation today, just even more limited into those southeastern counties. Future track shows them pretty much dying out once we lose daytime heating. There may be a few this afternoon up north as well. We're pretty tranquil for the next couple of days. Tuesday and Wednesday, it's quiet. The active storm track's going to be running just to our north. There's some severe weather potential tomorrow to our northeast, but should be fairly quiet here. And where the main round of active weather, severe weather is taking place is, of course, across the deep south later this week. You see our rain chance spike. What's interesting about that spike is it could be tropically related. You've got Tropical Storm Marco, and you've got also Tropical Storm Laura. Laura is the more formidable of the two, but Tropical Storm Marco is kind of setting the stage because a lot of the deeper convection's displaced from the center, but it's going to move northwest. So it's actually heading off towards New Orleans and then eventually coastal Louisiana back towards East Texas. That'll swamp the Gulf Coast with heavy tropical rainfall, and then here comes on its heels Laura. This one has a better chance to get out into the open Gulf and gain power, so it could easily be a hurricane, possibly a Category 2 at landfall by late Wednesday, early Thursday. And then the remnants of that system wrapping around. It does happen here in Kentucky. It's not that often, but we could see the remnants of Laura pushing through here. We may even get some heavier rain out of it this weekend. Of course, that's still very much up in the air. Take these numbers with a grain of salt. It just shows the general track there all along it, especially toward the Gulf Coast. Heavy tropical rainfall, flash flooding combined with the storm surge could be devastating for the Gulf Coast, but could be beneficial for us because there's some folks that need some rain. It's been so hit or miss. This could be a more widespread soaking rain, but also could be on the heavier side, so we'll have to watch out for that. Low 80s now. Temperatures struggling a little bit over the weekend with those clouds and the showers and storms around, and then of course some folks are warmer. We've got a dew point in the upper 60s and low 70s. It is muggy out there. We'll put it right around the mid, maybe upper 80s if you have enough sunshine down south later on today. And again, those isolated showers and storms around, upper 60s tonight. Tomorrow, Wednesday, nothing going on. High pressure's with us, hazy sunshine. The heat peaks Wednesday in the low 90s. But check it out, temperatures tumbling as that moisture ramps up as the remnant low of Laura passes through the Ohio Valley into the weekend.